In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text shorter on Canva. On your Canva design, locate the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps tab. In the search bar, browse Type Crafts. Select the typed craft from the search results. Now, within the Typecraft interface, you'll see options for adding text, choosing font, and selecting styles. Choose your desired font and style, then type in your text. Look for the little circular dots around the edge of the text box. These are control points that allow you shrink the text. Click and drag any of these dots to decrease the height of your text. You can also drag multiple dots simultaneously for a more shorter text. Change the color of the text from the color palette. Once you're happy with the height of the text, click the purple Add Element to Design button. This will import your creation into the main Canva workspace as a text element. Then you can go ahead and resize and reposition. And that's about it. That's how to make text shorter on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.